Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. I'm Tanya, and today we are in southern Switzerland in Ticino, in the Italian-speaking part of Switzerland. We have come to Val Bavona, and we're doing a hike. We went to the waterfall at the bottom, which I think is called Foroglio. Gorgeous waterfall, and then we've hiked up and up to this amazing isolated valley up here. You gotta come here. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details for this outing. If you're new here, please subscribe. And now let's get on the trail. Why are there stairs going up to the top of that rock? Is it a picnic area? We've reached the waterfall, and now we're going to climb up the waterfall about 1 hour. See what we can see. Maybe we're on the wrong path. Okay, when you get to the sign, this way goes to the lookout, short, fun, and now we're gonna go this way up to the top of the waterfall. Let's see what happens. This is such a magical place. It's so beautiful up here. The river's amazing. There's all these wild lilies. It's just amazing. So this is the valley above the waterfall. So idyllic, just great. Absolutely worth the extra effort. These huge boulders are just amazing. And all these little rock houses, traditional rock houses. I love it. gorgeous hike. I will put a link in the description below to our website where I have all the details, and we'll see you here next time for more family fun in Switzerland.